Hi YouTube, it's your girl Paige and welcome back to another hell of a colorful summer video. It's your girl Paige, as I stated before. This is my channel OhhSoPaige, and as you know, each summer, well, only done it one summer, but each summer I will be doing a hell of a colorful summer series. You guys know that's like a tongue twister, but today the hair I have for you is from Janet Collection. Now you guys, the wig that I have today, like, it's really like out of my comfort zone. Like, I'm kind of nervous because like sometimes I'll pull wigs out and, you know, try them on to see like what I look like, to see what I need to do to it before I come to you guys on camera. But this time, like, this is like raw unboxing, so I'm kind of nervous. If you have any questions about this hair is LUVME hair that was in my previous video or so, and I'll have it linked up above. I'm not sure which side, but you guys will see it, and I'll have it linked down in the description box below. But like I said, today I have this Janet Collection wig. It's called Halle, you guys. Yes, it is a short haircut. Now, for those of y'all that don't know me, which is probably like everybody that follows me, I used to have like a short like haircut. Like back when Rihanna had cut all her hair off, I had a bad breakup and I just like was like, take it all. So I used to rock like short hair for a long time. Like from like the end of 12th grade, I had like a little mohawk thing all the way up until maybe like sophomore year of college. So this hair, like I said, is Janet Collection. And another backstory, you guys, Janet Collection was like the first, it was like the first weave I ever bought. Like when I crossed my sorority, of course, like I wanted to have long, luscious hair, and I had like a little short haircut, and all I had to flip was a bang. And as an AKA, like the hair flip is important, and I just had a bang to flip. So I bought some hair from the beauty supply store, and it was Janet Collection. And because that hair that I had bought was like natural texture, when I straightened my own hair, it like went perfect. So I kind of have like a little love relationship with Janet Collection. So this hair is called Halle, like I stated, and that's what it looks like. But you guys, I'm not really nervous about having the short haircut. It's the color I chose that has me nervous. So I chose it's called HLP 613/pink blue. Now this hair is said 613, but it's like 613 to the point of like platinum. So, and then it has pink and blue in it. So that's like really exciting. Let me go ahead and pull this out. And let me see if there's any other hair specs that I need for you guys. This hair, yeah, is their Swiss Lace extended part wig. And this one is called Halle. From their website, they do have different colors, you know, 1B or whatever, but like colorful wise, they do have 613, a copper brown color, which was the other color you saw in this. They have a yellow blue, that would have been cute, a copper brown, and then a some kind of blonde, but I'm not sure what that says. But you guys can go to the website, and I have a link down below for you to take a look at all of that. So let me go ahead and pull it out the box. I don't think that this is a lace front, but you guys know, like, I've gotten a wig that wasn't a lace front before. That was kind of tragic. So hopefully this one is not tragic, because I got high hopes for you. I have high hopes. I should have brought my, oh, I got some scissors over here. Okay, so the wig came in this little like hairnet, and it is a synthetic wig, I believe. I mean, not lie to you. Yeah, I believe it's synthetic. Yeah, it's a synthetic wig, because that's what I forgot to tell y'all. But it does have that premium heat resistant fiber, so you can straighten it if you want to, if you might need to. I do like this color though. I feel like I should have like did my makeup a little bit better, because my makeup today, you guys, like I went to work and I got off work early, and when I came home I was like, oh, let me go ahead and record this video. So That's what I'm doing now. But I feel like sometimes when you do videos, because the camera like picks you up differently, like you have to do your makeup like kind of dramatic in order for you to look like something on camera. And I'm not saying like eyeshadow wise, because y'all know I suck at that, but I'm saying like you have to really like pronounce your makeup on your face so that when it translates to the screen, it looks like something. So now that I'm done with that, oh, it got stuck on my finger. So the wig, pretty much, like I said, it has that deep part. So this is the deep part right here. And I told y'all it said 613, but I told you this was more like silver. And then there's that pink and blue, which is pretty, but I'm still nervous. It doesn't have any combs inside. There's no combs. It's not a lace front. The only part that is lace is the part, and then there's like a little piece right here. But there is an adjustable strap in the back, so you can tighten that up. So let me go ahead and take this off, and I'm gonna put this on. Ooh. And y'all, my braids been up for a long time. I was gonna do like a video straight in my hair, but honestly, I need to nourish my hair back to health. So I'll probably do my hair straight in video like way later, because I got a new product for that. And one more thing. Y'all, my face looks slim. Don't you think so? Because I lost a lot of weight. Ooh, I'm nervous. Okay, hold on. Let me tighten this up first. I always tighten my wig up. Like, I never put it on without tightening it. Even if it might be too tight, I just always take that risk. Like, let me just go on and try to tighten it off rip. Because you want the lace, well, you want the wig to sit on your hairline perfect. But it's getting stuck. Okay, there we go. Okay, so I always take my wig and I always take one strap and put it as far as it will go. Hopefully my braids aren't too chunky and this lays right. Here we go. Gotta get my little problematic naps of a baby hair out. Make sure it's fully covering my head. See, for me, it's covering all the back of my head, but the front of my head is like, no ma'am. Okay. Let me see if I got a comb. I had to go get a comb. So where my ear was stuck underneath, so I had to pull my ear out. And this is how it looks straight out the box. Now the girl in the pictures, let me grab that. The girl in the picture had hers like more to the side. She had hers more like a deep part. But I put mine here. Maybe I see right here. She had hers like more on this side. But I don't like the way that looks on her. I feel like that right there looks real fake and chunky. Now when I had my natural hair, when I had my hair like cut, I kind of would wear it like this because I didn't know how to do spikes and stuff. So I kind of would do it like this. I'm gonna show y'all the back. Hold on, let me. Cause I don't know what the back looks like, so y'all will see it, so hopefully it don't look bad. And this is how the front looks. What y'all think? You know, I tried to pair it with my little left eye t-shirt, try to be a little edgy or whatever. I just kind of want, I don't know. See, I don't know how to cut. So like for me, I need like it's getting there, but it's like it's almost hitting, but it ain't hitting all the way for me. I don't really know like what I need to do to make it hit all the way, but I'm loving the color for sure. very happy to try something new, try something different on my channel, because like I would never have just thought to just go out on a limb with this. Now, you know, I did tighten to the last strap, and it is a little tight. I'm going to see, I think I'm gonna go ahead and like slick this part down, because a little bit of that track is showing. So I do got my Got to Be Free spray sitting over here, just in case I need to hit this with a little hair or something. But let me try like the lady in the picture had it. Let me put it more as a deep part and see what that do. See if that change up the game a little bit or not. I think that just exposed all my black hairs over here. I don't really think that changed up the game much. Just pull out a little side piece. I don't think I like it as the deep side part. I think I like it better how I had it. But like I said, this does take heat. I probably would like curl it a little bit. Especially these pieces right here that are just like chilling. They not really curly like the picture. Like I would rather these pieces be curly, and then I just play around with like this piece to get the desired like edge look I want. Now I can't even find out. I can't even find the real way I had it sitting no more. All in all, this was a risk because I've never done anything like this. And I will say this part is kind of plucked really good actually. I don't have on a wig cap, so it probably looks more black because that's really like a fuzzy braid. And it's more like a finger wave style going on here with this look. But I like that color. I'm really feeling the color. The white blonde does have me a little nervous. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Is this a thumbs up? How would you style it? Tell me how you guys think I should style this. Cause I mean, I think it's cute, because I'm only telling you that because like when my hair was short and I like didn't know what to do with it much. This is really how it looked. I mean, it was just black, but this is how it kind of looked pretty much overall. But as far as this being like a synthetic wig, it's not super shiny, which is always a key because, you know, synthetic hair can come off super shiny. It is, it's not really, I ain't gonna lie, it's not that soft. It's not that soft. It's a little hard to the touch. Just, it's a little hard to the touch, pretty, kind of, sort of. I did make this too tight. It's cutting off all my head circulation right now. But I would wear this. I ain't gonna lie, I would wear this. That's this side profile with the pink swirls. And then that's this side profile. What y'all think? Let me know in the comments. I probably would just like really get my curlers, and see, I don't even have no little curlers anymore. I threw all those things away. But I probably would, because this can take heat, I would finesse this side, like this bang side. As long as you can finesse this bang side and get it popping, it's gonna be good. Cause I just feel like this part, cause it's not like as curly as I want or as curly as the picture, it's not as popping as it could be. Oh, I might be doing something right here. Yes. Come through. Come through. But I like this cotton candy look though. I like this cotton candy look. I think that's just like a string. I like this cotton candy look though. I ain't gonna lie. Cause I have been thinking about cutting my hair again for a while. So this kind of like is a way for me to like not cut my hair, but still get those vibes of like having cut hair and going back short. But like I said, I kind of feel this. So I will have everything for this hair linked in the description box below. Once again, this is Halle. Ooh, what's going on? I don't really know. Once again, I will have this hair linked in the description box below. This is Halle by Janet Collection, and it is in a pink blue / 613 color, and I will have it that exact color link below if you do feel this and you do like it. I think I like it. I think that I can finesse this and make it look better if I had time to like get my curlers out and do something to it. But this is literally an unboxing and letting you guys know how it looks straight out the pack. So I think it looks good, especially for it to not be like a lace frontal. Like, this is not a lace frontal wig, but it doesn't really look like my hairline right here. They don't look wiggy. I mean, it don't look wiggy to me. I don't know what y'all think, but to me, it don't even look that wiggy. Like, okay, Janet Collection. I just wish it was just a little bit more soft. But other than that, like, I give it a thumbs up. And I like the originality of this color. I like this cotton candy theme. Like, this is cute. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you are not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Like, it's free. And if you made it to the end of this video, like, you might as well like give this a thumbs up because you liked it enough to stay the whole, I don't know how many minutes long this is gonna be, but you stayed. So go ahead and give this a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that notification bell because you don't want to miss any more Helluva Colorful Summer videos. Plus, I got another real special video coming for you real soon because your girl is doing some big things out here and she doing some changes. But I will see you guys in the next one. I'll talk to you later.